Hey, good morning, juniors. And I think I should call you juniors because we only have a few days left in this trimester. And then, yes, you folks are juniors. Crazy. So what I did is, if you, for body paragraph number 1 from yesterday, I went through this morning, like about 6 a.m., and I scanned everyone's submission and I've given you feedback as to, are you on the right track? Are you not on the right track? I did not issue a grade. I would say most of the ones I looked at were fives, maybe 4.5s out of fives. Only if you were like in the 1, 2, 3 range. But I'm going to annotate and write on those today and give you more specific feedback. But everyone who submitted yesterday on time has been given at least some basic indication, like, are you doing this right, before you keep digging yourself into a hole. Today, we're going to write body paragraph number 2, and it's going to be very much like what we did yesterday. And I think I have a pretty decent example for you to follow again. So while yesterday we were focusing on the person's biography and their background and how that led them to their change, today is all about the change, like what did that person do? So this is the link you're going to choose, and it's going to look very similar to yesterday, and I don't know if that's good or bad. I prefer it. But we're talking body paragraph 2. Let me turn my Grammarly off. And it's what did your person do, say, or create? There, I had to get rid of Grammarly. So I've modified the color coding just a little bit. Not everyone used this color code yesterday. Please do that for me when I'm just giving feedback. It just helps me make sure you're not missing a step, because I'm reading them quickly. I think I'm being thorough. But just to protect you and to protect me, I please kind of follow this format for me. So again, focusing on Goodall. So I have my topic sentences to what her changes, what her impact is. Then again, this green sentence is my insight as to what one of those impacts was. So and then I have the research. And I'm going to be honest, this particular first reason, I need to change that. I'm not happy with it. I like my research. I don't like my green sentence. And you can see from my blue sentence where I have to explain, I need to insert a sentence here where I explain the impact of this quote. So I wanted to get this out before 9 a.m., but I know this first, I'm not happy with this. I would give myself a C- for that one. However, the next one gets to the heart of it, but it's Goodall's research changed her view on animal testing, and she spoke out against the harsh treatments. This quote I took directly from our article that we read for 10B. I acknowledge mine. Goodall's the author, that's why it says Goodall there for the citation. I explain that quote, and then I end my paragraph with a summarizing kind of statement. So what I missed on yesterday is I missed this whole explaining your quote and then having an end statement. Some people kind of naturally did that. Some people did that with one sentence. At this point, I'm not going to make you go back and add that to paragraph 1 because that was a mistake on my end. But this is for paragraph 2. Again, a lot of you are including your works cited page, and I appreciate that. I think I'm going to add mine to this so you can kind of see I have 2 different sources for this article, or for this paragraph of my article. I'm sharing this link, so I think you have everything that you need for today. The other thing you're going to notice is that I'm changing. The other thing that you're going to notice is that the due date for today's assignment, because I'm running late with my feedback, I changed it to Saturday simply because you have all day Friday to work on this as well. So there's no reason that you have to get this done today. I'm going to be grading earlier stuff, so I think I need to slow down a little bit with my due dates to make it sure we're focusing on quality and not quantity. Notice that the value of this assignment is 10 points. Yesterday's was only worth 5. You're doing basically the same thing, but I'm holding you to a higher standard here, so it's worth twice the points. I've been very, very, very pleased with the quality of the writing that people have been submitting. Please make an appointment with me. If you've got a lot of questions or just a few questions, we can hash things out. I think a few of you, I think 1 or 2 of you might be struggling, but most people that have submitted, I'm thinking like you're on the right track. All right. That is today's video lesson. This is today's assignment. Take it slow, be thorough, give me your best writing, use mine as a guide. It's probably going to change again throughout the day, though, once I fix that first reasoning that I really don't like. All right. Have a great day.